Hello, and welcome to Shiva's Tech Hub. We have listed some tips and tricks to make your daily life simpler. Have you ever felt annoyed looking for a password you thought you wrote down? Or struggled to resize windows to see two of them on your screen? Sometimes, technology can be more of a hassle than a help. Here are 17 shortcuts and tricks to make tech work for you and make your daily life simpler. Tip 1. If everything else doesn't work, just restart. If your computer is acting up, try restarting it. It's a good idea to do this once a week. Restarting helps clear the memory, finish any ongoing updates, and can improve how your computer works. Tip 2. Choose a secure password manager. Are you tired of wasting time trying to remember forgotten passwords? On average, people spend 12 days of their lives searching for login details. Use secure online password managers like 1Password and Keeper to efficiently manage and store this information. These tools integrate with your web browser, allowing seamless logins to websites and services. They also generate strong passwords, making your accounts more secure. Say goodbye to time-consuming guesswork and the frustration of getting locked out. Tip 3. Capture your screen by taking a screenshot. For a PC, right-click the Start button, go to Search, and type Snipping Tool. Click on New, then drag the cursor over the area you want. Afterward, you can share or save the snip. On a Mac, press and hold Shift plus Command plus 4. Drag the crosshair to choose the screen area you want to capture. Tip 4. Automate your laptop screen brightness to reduce strain on your tired eyes. Blue light can disrupt sleep, and Windows offers an automatic light switcher. Right-click the Start button, search for Night Light, and click on it. Choose Schedule Night Light and set the hours you prefer to automatically adjust to warmer colors based on the lighting in your surroundings. Tip 5. Reopen a closed tab in your web browser very fast. If you accidentally close an important tab in your browser on a Windows PC, you can easily reopen it by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Tip 6. Utilize the browser bar for quick searches. Save time by skipping the process of opening a new tab and going to Google. Modern browsers let you search directly from the top browser bar. Just type your query where web addresses are usually shown, and the browser will instantly display a results page related to your search. Tip 7. Enhance your search precision by using quotation marks. Improve your Google searches by using quotation marks. If you're getting overwhelmed with irrelevant results, put your query in quotes. Google will then only display results that exactly match what you've written in quotes. This simplifies finding what you need and removes unnecessary search results. Tip 8. Use Google to locate your Android device. If you're signed into your Google account on your PC, simply Google Find My Phone in your web browser. If you have Google Home, you can also say, Hey Google, find my phone, and it will ring your Android device. For Apple devices, use Find My iPhone on iCloud.com. Tip 9. Organize your emails by setting up filters in Microsoft Outlook. Navigate to the Microsoft Outlook ribbon, choose File, click the Manage Rules and Alerts button, and then select New Rule. In this menu, you can set tasks for emails based on specific conditions, like automatically organizing emails by criteria such as the sender or specific words in the subject line. Tip 10. Plan ahead by scheduling emails to be sent later in Microsoft Outlook. In Outlook, open a new email, click Options at the top, and select Delay Delivery. In the delivery options, choose the date and time next to Do Not Deliver Before to schedule when the email will be sent. Tip 11. Create a peaceful work environment by setting quiet hours in the Microsoft Teams mobile app. In the Microsoft Teams mobile app, open it and tap the navigation menu, photo icon, in the top left corner. Select Notifications, then tap the bell icon under Block Notifications labeled as During Quiet Time. Once you click Quiet Hours, you can turn it on and choose your preferred quiet hours. Additionally, you can enable quiet days, muting notifications for a full 24 hours. Tip 12. Easily mute and unmute yourself in Zoom meetings by using the spacebar. When it's your turn to speak on a Zoom call, avoid the rush to click the microphone button. Simply press and hold the spacebar to swiftly mute and unmute your microphone. Tip 13. Streamline your meeting scheduling by automating your availability with Calendly. Calendly simplifies scheduling meetings with individuals outside your organization, even if they use different calendar software. Set your preferred meeting times and duration in the app, then share your unique Calendly URL. This allows others to easily find and schedule events with you, eliminating the need for multiple email exchanges. Tip 14. Keyboard shortcuts. Maximize your efficiency with these keyboard shortcuts. 1. Windows key plus D, instantly hide or show your desktop, regardless of how many tabs or windows are open. 2. Spacebar, effortlessly scroll down a page. 3. Shift plus spacebar, scroll back up the page. 4. Windows key plus left/right arrow, easily select and work on two windows side by side. 5. Alt plus tab, swiftly switch between multiple windows. 6. Windows key plus L, quickly lock your computer, ideal for ensuring privacy when someone approaches while working on sensitive tasks. Tip 15. Keyboard commands for YouTube. Navigate YouTube like a pro with these keyboard commands. 1. Keys 0 to 9, skip through the video, e.g., press 5 for 5 tip%, 7 for 7 tip%. 2. J, rewind when the video is paused. 3. K, pause the video. 4. L, fast forward when the video is paused. These shortcuts offer convenient ways to navigate and control your video playback on YouTube. Tip 16. Enhance your vocabulary in Word documents. Utilize the built-in thesaurus by right-clicking any word while writing. Select Synonyms to discover a range of alternatives, preventing repetition in your content. Tip 17. Streamline your texting with this handy hack. When you reach the end of a sentence, simply tap the space bar twice. It will insert a period and automatically capitalize the following letter, saving you time and making your messages more polished. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment to my video.